Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because it's been out for a while now and I finally got my hands on her and I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be installing and reviewing Janet Collection's newest melted bang scarf. Is that what it's called? Yes, it's a bang lace scarf. I know you girls and guys have seen it all over social media. I've seen it, and when I seen it I was like, oh my gosh, like Miss Chrissy J has to get her hands on this, like seriously. So I was sent two of them because they always look out for me, and this is how they look. If you don't know what they are, you haven't seen them on social media, it's a scarf with attached hair to give the illusion of having your hair done underneath the scarf, if that makes sense. But I was sent two of these. I was sent the style Picasso and I was sent the style DALI. This Janet Collection's melt bang lace scarf, it's 100% natural virgin Remy human hair. I didn't even know it was human hair. Wow. Perfect styling, 100% hand knotted silky satin scarf. And yeah, so today's going to be a Janet Collection like party because I'm going to be installing this with their lace. There's a 100% human lace wig that they sent me, I think a year ago, I believe. A year ago. It looks like this. This is my grab and go wig. Like if I do put glue on her, it's rare. This is like I put it on, put a hat on, or I go, because it's kind of glueless, so with me, I just don't lay the lace down and I go and do what I gotta do because it's human and it doesn't bother me, it doesn't tangle. It's just perfect to like grab and go. So she's looking a little dry because I grabbed and left with her yesterday. But yeah, this is how she looks. She's about 20 to 24 inches. I cut off most of the lace. You can see the lace is tinted. It has two clips right here and it has a strap in the back. It looks a mess, I know that, because it's my grab and go wig. But today I'm gonna actually be styling her with the scarf to see how all of that comes out. Put this on really fast, like that. Okay, as you can see, it has the inches to her. Let me comb her out. If you hear noise, I really do apologize. They are doing construction in front of my building. Good old New York City for you, right in front of my building. Well, across the street. So they're doing construction, so you might hear a little of construction work, and I apologize for that. I guess I picked the wrong day to film, but I don't have any time to do it another day, so I had to do it today. Okay, so as you can see, it's pushed back. See, this is my natural hairline. My hairline starts right here. So yeah, this is my natural hairline, y'all. I have a big forehead. So that's why I love my lace wigs, because I could take this and pull it down to here. And there we go, no forehead, child. But in this case, I'm going to push her back. I'm going to put the clips in her so that she's not falling off my head. And the clips like go right here, so it's perfect. That's why this is my grab and go wig, because it doesn't go anywhere when I go. Okay, so she's on. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull her back a little bit. So I'm just gonna clip it towards, like, not so much in the front, but like to the back where you can see my edges. My edges are out. Okay, so I pushed her as back as I could. Let's open her up. Oh, how do I open this, chat? Oh, so wow, it's packaged so like cool. Like, can you get any more cooler, Janet Collection? Can you get any more cooler? Let me know. Okay, it has like little pins, which I'm gonna use. Should I could use these pins? Okay. Oh, and it tells you, so on the box, it tells you how to do everything. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it tells you how to do everything. So I'm gonna follow exactly what it's saying, because this is my first time even doing this. So okay, so this is Picasso. Picasso looks like this. Has a lot of pattern. All of them have pattern, but I guess, you know, they all have different patterns. So it says, number one, you cut off the excess lace. Okay, you tint the lace with foundation. Set scarf. Tint the lace with foundation. Hold on. Tint the lace with foundation. Set scarf properly on head, matching baby hairs to your natural hairline. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I used to do that method where I would cut off the lace, then tint it. I don't do that anymore. I actually tint it first, and then I cut off the lace because I have to measure out how much lace I want. That's just what I do, okay? Oh, now I see what's going on here now. Okay. So, yeah, I see what's going on here. I see. All right, this is what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to go and put foundation on this, and I'll be right back because I don't have the foundation in front of me. So I'm just going to go and tint this with my foundation, which is literally me with the brush in my hand and my foundation, and I'll be right back. Yeah, it's not coming out well because it's like blotchy. I think it would be best to use like a powder foundation if you were to use a foundation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my lace tint spray because that's what I'm used to. Okay, my thing is, it says after you tint the lace, you're supposed to set the scarf properly on the head, matching your baby hairs to your natural hairline. Tie the scarf to your preference. Secure scarf with bobby pins. That's not going to work for me. Secure scarf with bobby pins? I mean, seriously? I feel like it's gonna fall off my head. Can I use glue? I mean, it does have lace on it, right? I mean, isn't that what the lace is for? I'm lost. I'm gonna have to do it like this. Okay, so I'll put this behind my ear like that, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is just use this little butterfly clips to like butterfly these clips. Okay, there we go. So I'll use my little butterfly clips to do what it do. Okay, now I can continue cutting the lace. Let me push it to the side like that. So let's continue cutting. Ooh, damn, now I can see. Oh my God, I can't see at all. And it's crazy because everybody on Instagram was like, and I'm just like sitting here like a damn fool struggling. And trust me, I've been doing lace wigs for years and I'm struggling. Maybe I gotta watch some of the girlies do it because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not trying to like, I'm trying to glue this on. All right. Okay, I look like I look crazy, but it's okay. So this is what we're gonna do. This down a little bit. All right, so. Alright, so I'm tying it as tight as I could in a knot in the back, and I'll show you how the back when I'm done. Right on my head, right? So, still not finished. I'm still gonna, hold on y'all. Okay. Now I'm still gonna put these baby hairs up. Ooh. They keep falling out, and I'm trying to like attach it to the scarf because I need, okay, so that's there. Okay. All right. This, let me try to move it. And take my Escher glue. I'm gonna put glue on this thing. Attempt to. Okay, we got the glue coming out. I'm just gonna add it to the hairline right there. Nothing too crazy, but I want to see something right quick. Okay guys, so I glued it down. And I don't think you were supposed to do that because it doesn't say that in the directions, but honey, it's mine now, so I'm gonna do how I want to do it. So I'm gonna take these little butterfly clips off. Let me close this glue because you want to close the Escher glue and get kind of messy. All right, so I'll take these butterfly clips off now. Okay, so flat iron is nice and heated up. I'm gonna take my comb and comb everything down on my face. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut it down because it's way too friggin' long, like way too long. So I'm gonna just cut. And I'm gonna curl it upwards. You wanna curl it upwards because when you curl the baby hairs up, after you can lay it down and it'll kind of have that lay. If you do it under, it'll be weird. So you guys can see my lips moving and I am talking, but I decided to speed this part up because this video would have been super duper long. Basically just curling up the baby hairs upwards and straightening the Janet Collection wig. And then I'm using Garnier oil just to moisturize the hair and just pretty much straightening it. I'm also using Escher's mousse to style the baby hairs and a little bit of the Escher Slay edge control as well. It's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna take it off and see how it came out. You know what? Not bad. I mean, I'm not a big, let me just, hold on, this little piece is bothering me. This little piece is bothering me. Okay. Okay. So this is the finished look. I'm not a big fan of excessive grown hairs. That's what I call them, because baby hairs are smaller, and that's why I cut it down as much as I could because the hairs are really long. Like I said, it's really preference. Some women like it long and exaggerated, and there are looks that I feel like, okay, I like it when they do like the swirly things. I think that's super dope if you can do it. I don't really do that, so I didn't know how, but I cut them down as much as I could so that it could look a little bit on the natural side as far as like, you know, edges. I get that it's supposed to be exaggerated for the women that like the exaggerated look. I'm not a big fan of exaggerated, which is probably weird because I'm extra, but yeah. So I did the best that I could to make it into a look, as you can see. I tied it the best I could. I hope it doesn't look crazy. That's all for this video. I didn't want it to be too long. Thank you, Janet Collection, for collabing with me. The next scarf, I may do in another video soon. And that one I'll probably do it another way. But this is just the first of the two. And I might just do the other one in another way and maybe use different type of hair. I want to actually like, I don't have time to do all of that today in one video because this video will be super duper long. But I will do another video using the second scarf and maybe using some type of kinkier hair or maybe a longer ponytail or just something creative I'll do with the next one. So stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the Janet Collection bang lace scarf. I keep saying edge scarf, bang lace scarf. And I will see you dolls in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.